Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with the official demo video for Done For You Suite 4.0. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Done For You Suite works, exactly what our new 4.0 features are, and exactly how you can get access to Done For You Suite at an extremely limited time discount during this special 4.0 grand opening. Now, if this is the first time that you're hearing about Done For You Suite, this is pretty much our platform that allows you to get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of our high quality Done For You social syndication system. And this is truly as done for you as it gets. You can literally come in here and all you have to do is submit your URLs, submit your keywords, and we will take it from there. We will build hundreds upon hundreds of high quality syndication links to your content so that you can rank on the first page of Google and YouTube or both. So let's go ahead and jump into this and you'll see why Done For You Suite continues to be the #1 platform for all marketers to go to get high quality social syndication. And you can see here, once you log in, this is the main dashboard. And right here, you'll see that Done For You Suite has already built over 11,000 links for me. And again, all I've had to do is come in here, submit the URLs that I want traffic for, submit the keywords that I want traffic for, and Done For You Suite takes it from there. And in our 4.0 upgrade features, you'll see how we've taken it even a step further so that you can get rankings in other platforms as well. And over here on the right hand side, you'll see that on average, our platform builds over 700,000 links for our customers. Okay, so we are not a new platform by any means. This is our 4.0 grand opening, and we continue to make our platform better, easier, and faster for you to be able to get results and get traffic to your different URLs. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this and I can show you exactly how it works. So all you literally have to do is come here to the left hand side, click campaigns, come up here, create campaign, and these are the 3 simple steps that you have to follow. Just submit the general information, submit the content, settings, and go ahead and hit start. That is literally all you have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and name this demo 4.0. The URL for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and submit a YouTube URL. All right, so I want to go ahead and get rankings for this video. I'm going to go ahead and input my keyword. So you can do keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, keyword 4. You can literally submit as many keywords as you want. I personally recommend doing between 3 and 5 keywords and have a mixture between long tail keywords and short tail keywords. If you have no idea what all that means that I just said, don't worry, a very powerful bonus that you're getting with your purchase of Done For You Suite 4.0 is an entire step-by-step PDF that breaks down exactly how to find the best keywords to target when you're using Done For You Suite 4.0. So I cover exactly what my favorite keywords are to target that have led to multiple page 1 rankings, multiple 6-figure affiliate payments. So you'll be able to get that PDF for free, and it breaks down my 7 favorite keywords that I like to target. All right, so if you have no idea what I just said when it comes to long tail keywords and short tail keywords, don't worry, we have a powerful bonus that breaks that all down. But again, I do recommend between 3 and 5 keywords mixed up between long tail and short tail so that you can get some quick rankings with the long tail keywords, and then the shorter tail keywords, which usually take a little bit longer, you can wait for that while you're already getting traffic for the long tail keywords. So let's go ahead and click next from this point. And here is where you pretty much set the content settings, and you don't actually have to write any content when it comes to Done For You Suite. Again, everything is literally done for you. All you have to do is just select the different options so that Done For You Suite knows what to do for you. So obviously here we have this automatically checked since most of our customers prefer not to write any content. But if you do prefer to write content, you just click this off and then you'll be able to submit the content that you want for us to use with your campaigns. This is, for some people that may be working with clients that are a little bit pickier about the content that's posted out there for them. So that's why we have that option for you to turn off the automatic content generation. But if you do want to go ahead and allow us to do your content, just go ahead and flip that on And then we do have two options for you to select from. We have the option for you to create content by scraping for campaign keywords. And then we have the option for you to have content written for you by our artificial intelligence platform, which is powered by Create. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose the content written by Create, since that is some of the best content that you can get using artificial intelligence. And the best part is that you don't have to have an account with Create. We're actually using our account to write the content for you. So from here, you just select the language. And another big update in version 4.0 is the fact that we added 12 additional languages into our platform. So now we are at about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 of the biggest languages out there you can now get done for you syndication for. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it in English. And then here you also have the ability to choose the niche of the URL that you're submitting. Okay, so if we're doing day trading, I'll go ahead and just select that. And then down here, you have the ability to embed your videos. Okay, so if I click that, it's going to turn on the option down here. Now, a big update in version 4.0 is the ability for us to do Twitch embeds for you as well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this Twitch video URL, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. And what's going to happen now is that Done For You Suite is now not only going to build links for the YouTube URL that I submitted in the first step, but it's also going to go ahead and embed this video URL on the same post as well, so that now I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm getting Twitch embeds to get more rankings on Twitch, and I'm getting backlinks to the YouTube URL that I submitted to get rankings on YouTube and Google with that video. If I want to just go ahead and get YouTube video embeds as well, you can go ahead and submit that here instead of a Twitch URL. You can see here you can submit YouTube, Vimeo, or Twitch video URLs so that we can handle your embeds for you. Now, Twitch is one of the fastest growing live streaming platforms out there, which is one of the reasons we added that in here, so that you can take full advantage of that platform and get more traffic from Twitch. All right, and here you can always click the more info tab, and it'll tell you and explain to you a little bit more about how the process works. Another very powerful update that we added is the ability for us to do your Google Map embedding so that you can dominate Google Maps for yourself or for your clients. When it comes to ranking in Google Maps, one of the more powerful things that you can do is mass Google Map embedding. So pretty much embedding your Google Maps on hundreds of different sites so that Google knows that that's where your business is for the specific niche that you are targeting. Okay, so here all you have to do is go to your business page and share, go to the share option, and then just click onto the embed map option here. Come back to Done For You Suite, paste that embed code here, and from this point we are going to go ahead and build hundreds upon Google Map embeds on our network for you. Okay, and again, this is very, very powerful for getting rankings in the Google Maps. And if I click on here again, you'll be able to see the options and more instructions on how that actually works. All right, and the one of the last and final updates that we've made to 4.0 is the fact that we will do your Google My Business citation syndication as well. Now, this covers the 3-pack rankings when it comes to Google, because one thing that really helps you rank in Google Maps is ensuring that you get high quality citations posted for your business or for your client's business. Now, one thing that you do want to make sure that you get right is that the information that you're getting syndicated about your business or your client's business stays consistent upon every single site that you post it on. So that's why, when you're submitting the business name, the business address, the business phone number, the business website URL, you want to make sure that you're putting it exactly how it is in every other place that you've put it on. So exactly how you've put in your Google My Business listing, that's exactly how you want to put it here. You don't want to change anything. You want to make sure it's exactly the same. All right, so I'll do Josh's Pizza Shop as an example. Business address 1234 Josh Street. Okay, I'll do phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Business website URL, joshspizza.com. All right, and the Google Business Profile URL, this is optional, but it is also very powerful, because one thing that we will do on top of not only doing the citation for you, but if you also submit your Google Business Profile URL here, then what we'll do is we'll be hyperlinking your business name back to your Google My Business profile, so that now not only are you getting a citation, but you're also getting a backlink to your Google My Business profile. Okay, so now you're killing two birds with one stone. You're packing a much stronger punch when building these citations. Okay, so from this point, all you got to do is click next. And here is pretty much where you set the settings of how much links you want, how much drip feeding you want, and whether you want to start immediately or schedule it for the future. Now here there are pretty much three big updates that we've made in version 4.0. One of the biggest updates is the fact that we have now added 200 additional domains into Done For You Suite 4.0 exclusively for this 4.0 grand opening. Okay, so these are 200 fresh, high quality domains that we are adding to our network. And again, depending on which package you purchase, you'll be able to either move this to 500, or if you purchase our upgrade, then you'll be able to extend this all the way up to 1200 links. Okay. And again, you can choose in increments of 25 on how much links you want us to build for you. I'm going to go ahead and put 275 just for this demo video. Another big update that we've done in version 4.0 is the ability for you to move all of this over to 90 days worth of drip feeding. Okay, so if you're working with a newer client or you're working with a newer site, you may want to have an option to drip feed a little bit longer. In our previous versions, I think we had a maximum of about 21 days drip feeding, but our existing customers have requested that we increase this to 90 days. So we went ahead and listened to our customers and added that as an update. All right. Another request that our customers made, which is part of what our 4.0 upgrades, is the ability to schedule campaigns. Before, the only option that we pretty much had was to start your campaign immediately. Now you can come in here and schedule your campaigns for the future. So you can literally come in here and schedule a week's worth of syndication to be done for you in a matter of minutes. Okay. And the last option here is to index links. So this is part of one of our upgrades where we will do further indexing of the links that we built for you so that you can get more of those links to count towards your rankings. Okay, so this is a very powerful upgrade. Just make sure you pay attention to that video once you get to it so that you can understand how powerful this is. And all you literally have to do is turn it on and off for that power to be unlocked in your account. Now from here, that is it. That is all you have to do to submit a campaign inside of Done For You Suite. So from this point, all you got to do is click next. You get a preview of everything you've just submitted for us to do your syndication for you, and you just hit create. And from there, we will go ahead and deploy all of the settings that you just set. Okay, so that is how easy and how simple it is to come in here and use Done For You Suite. And just a quick recap of everything that we've released in version 4.0. We now have the ability to do Twitch video embeds for you. We have the ability to do Google Maps embedding for you. We have the ability to do business profile citation creation for you for the Google My Business 3-pack rankings. We've updated our create freestyle support so that we can now submit content for any niche. We've added 12 additional languages. We've increased our drip feeding up to 90 days. You can actually schedule your campaigns for the future. And we've added 200 new domains for version 4.0 specifically. So now, if you purchase our upgrade, you'll be able to get up to 1,200 links built for you with our platform per campaign that you submit. I know this is some very exciting upgrades. This is easily our best and most exciting release to date. So make sure you take full advantage of this at the link below. This is a limited time 4.0 blowout sale. So we look forward to seeing you in the members area.